Oh dear, to have fewer wrinkles and less fine lines on the face, not to mention cellulite. Ladies, and yes, men, you can relate. I know you can. Well, I have great news. As our New Year, New You series continues, you can refresh the skin on your face and reduce the appearance of cellulite without surgery. Here to explain is Dr. Cheryl Burgess, dermatologist and an authority on non-invasive cosmetic procedures. Good morning.
Good morning.
No,
How
really, good morning. Okay, because when I was told I was going to do this segment, I was like, yes, I'm always talking about wrinkles and aging, and you know, it bothers me. I'm not going to lie.
It's so exciting to have new things that come about for us to feel better about ourselves. I mean, we dye our hair, so you know, you do things on a daily basis that change the way you feel.
Absolutely.
And so there's a new device that I want to talk about today.
And it's important that we talk about this today because I'm a bit of a chicken and I'm not into the needle stuff and all. And non-invasive procedures, that kind of catches my attention. So talk to me about this.
Right. Well, non-invasive does sometimes relate to needles, but this in particular is not a needle. It sets right on the skin. It's called Pelleve and Pellefirm. So first we have the one for the face, which is called Pelleve, and this is a radio frequency device that is used to refreshen the skin. It actually really reduces and smooths out wrinkles on the skin, and you see just a dramatic effect.
Let's talk about pain, because again, chicken here.
You know, I have had this procedure. It's very relaxing, and Pelleve is done on the face and Pellefirm is on the body. And if you've ever experienced any spa treatments, it almost feels like that. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Now, we do have a patient that has gone through this procedure. I'd like to hear what she has to say. Can we listen? All right, let's take a listen real quick.
You get like a glowy look, and then within a couple of days, I see that the skin just looked and felt tighter. With Pelleve, what I like about the eyes is that there really aren't much injectables that you can put in there, and this took away the circles under my eyes, and it made them, the wrinkles have gone away. I actually just had lunch with a girlfriend who hasn't seen me in a while. She's like, "You look so young. What have you been doing?"
Well, she seems happy.
You know, that is the common response. And again, I try to give my patients the reality of different procedures, and that is so typical.
All right, so we have some before and after photos. Walk me through this, and also tell me more about Pelleve and how it works.
Well, Pelleve is the device that's used for the face, and there are different hand pieces that we have, and if you can see, this one is much smaller than the other two. This one is used around the eyes. It delivers radio frequency, which is a form of a heat, through the skin to the dermis, which stimulates collagen. But it's very relaxing, and you can get it done in these areas, and you'll see a dramatic response in the skin around the eyes. And so that's what's done. And there's a series of these that are done a month apart, and you'll see an immediate result. So you can go out that evening if you wanted to. You can put makeup on after this. There is no downtime.
Which is important because I see a lot of my friends coming and I'll say, "What did you just do?"
Right.
And you can see they've done something.
Exactly. No, you will not see this. In fact, it'll look better that same day. But the final or delayed response is about 4 to 6 months later, so it actually gets better. So there's a series of treatments that are done anywhere between 4 to 6 a month apart, and you will gradually see that improvement at the 6-month mark.
All right, and that's for the face.